2 plus 2 equals 5.
That's not true.
It's true.
That's not true. What about the derivative of 14x to the third power?
Stop shooting my...
42x to the second power, you little homo.
No.
That's basic calculus.
Fuck calculus.
I love calculus. I'm an engineer.
Yeah, my brother is too. I say that to him all the time.
Cool. That sounds funny. Is he a super genius?
No, just a civil engineer.
Oh, my bad. Fuck civil engineers.
So, what are you?
Everybody knows they're not real engineers. They're just faggots. They're kind of good at math.
You kind of sound like an engineer.
I am an engineer, you little homo bitch.
Oh, dude.
You can suck my engineering cock. Mechanical engineer.
Oh! You don't understand if it
Just stop,
for like
okay?
10-year-olds
You don't-
allowed to play this game.
You don't
I
say
know.
that.
It even says on the case, 17 and up. It's rated mature, not faggot.
Stop. Don't
Well,
say
like,
other
here's
people are
the
gay
thing.
because you are gay. It's not gonna help.
Whoa.
I'm gay?
Yeah. When
I'm
you
gay?
get so brave, eh?
Then you could be gay.
I should be gay? What?
I said you could be gay.
Could be gay? Yeah, I could be gay if I like dicks.
But you're not.
Exactly. That's exactly correct. Good for you.
I'm gay. I'm
What?
gay.
That's cool. How many dicks do you like in your mouth? 4? 7?
Dude, I'm gay.
How gay?
I'm really gay right now. So I'm gay. It's Friday.
He's gay because it's Friday.
Yeah, because I'm happy. I'm really happy.
He's happy because it's Friday. Well, that's actually
gay
the
means
eight.
happy.
It's actually the old definition.
It means happy. Okay, bro. Okay. You mad, bro?
Okay.
You mad, bro? Oh, mad, bro?
I'm not mad,
Shut
bro.
the fuck up, kid.
You ugly, bro? You ugly, bro? Yeah, you ugly, bro.
Not that ugly. I mean, I fucked your mom. I can't be that bad.
Oh, well.
Big break.
How fucking old are
Thank you. Whoever the red corner
This kid's,
is.
you know, we asked this kid how old he was. He said he was 2-teen.
Not
He's back.
I said 13.
Oh, he said 5-teen.
I didn't say
God.
13. I said 13.
How many
Dude,
teens?
are you recording now? Please tell me you're recording.
I don't think.
Wait. Okay.
I don't think we're.
You fucking
You
guinea.
better keep recording.
Why? Because we're just sitting on you.
Who's arguing right
Fucking guinea
now?
fuck.
Sitting on the toilet.
Who's arguing right now?
Like, shouldn't you be playing fucking Viva Pinata right now, you guinea fuck?
Oh, who's skinny?
He's not skinny, bitch. Yo, my boy AJ killed your
I don't want to
fucking
argue
young
with you.
ass.
I'm so bored.
You bored?